Thanks for viewing our video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. For any service, please contact us. Our contact details are given at the end of the presentation. Good day.
Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today's topic is process of training and its advantages and disadvantages. Welcome guys to presentation. Introduction. Training is the process of teaching or learning new skills and knowledge. It is an essential component of any organization because it ensures that people have the skills and knowledge required to do their jobs effectively. Types of training. 1. Induction training. Induction training, also known as onboarding, is the process of introducing new employees to their new job role in the company. 2. Functional training. Functional training in organizations is training that is designed to teach employees the specific skills and knowledge they need to perform their jobs well. Process training. Process training guides staff on how to carry out specific activities or procedures. It is frequently used to train employees on new equipment or software, as well as to implement new procedures or workflows. Process training can be delivered in a variety of ways, including instructor-led training, online training, and on-the-job training. Process training. Process of training. 1. Vestibule training. Vestibule training is a sort of on-the-job training that takes place in a simulated workplace. It is frequently used to train employees on new equipment or procedures without interfering with the routine production process. It is particularly well suited for training employees on new equipment or procedures that are complex or dangerous. 2. On-the-job training. On-the-job training is a type of training that occurs at work under the supervision of a supervisor or mentor. On-the-job training is a hands-on training method in which employees learn by doing. It is often used to train new employees on the specific skills and knowledge they need to perform their job. It can also be used to train existing employees on new equipment, procedures, or technologies. Advantages of on-the-job training. It is a practical and hands-on approach to training. It allows employees to learn in a real-world environment. It is a cost-effective way to train employees. It can help to improve employee morale. Disadvantages of on-the-job training. It can be time-consuming for supervisors and mentors. It can be difficult to ensure that all employees receive the same level of training. It can be disruptive to the workplace. 3. Off-the-job training. Off-the-job training is any type of training that takes place outside of the employee's regular work environment. This could be at a training center, conference center, or even online. Off-the-job training can be used to teach employees new skills, knowledge, and behaviors necessary for their job. It can also be used to help employees develop their leadership and management skills. Advantages of off-the-job training. It is systematically organized. Efficiently created programs may add lot of value. Disadvantages of off-the-job training. It is not directly in the context of job. It is often formal. It may not be based on experience. It is expensive. Trainees may not be much motivated. It is artificial in nature. Conclusion. Training is an essential component of every organization's success. It enables people to gain the skills and knowledge required to do their jobs successfully and efficiently, resulting in increased production, quality, and customer happiness. The training program is an ongoing process. As per environmental changes, the training program should be updated to reflect those changes. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel.